Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to December's class, our very first class of the month. And yes, there's only 2 classes this month, so you will have only 3 kits in there. You'll also notice that you have something like this inside, as well as a little baggie full of tissue paper. Well, that is for December, the second week's class. We are going to stamp on a candle in your second week's class, so you guys will need a blow dryer that week. But today we are going to make a little tea light holder and a card. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this project. So you guys would have received this stamp set. This stamp set has the snowman. We're going to use this one here, and we're going to use Let It Snow. So the first part of the project, you will need the white cardstock, as well as this little package with the snowflakes and the star burst inside of it. Some of you have red, some of you have gold, and I think some of you have green. I can't remember exactly what is there. So first I want you to fold your card base in half, like so. I'm going to fold it a little tighter. And then I want you to take your snowman. So you can use either the little one here, or you can use this one here. I'm using this one. And I want you to stamp it with the black ink that you have right at the bottom of the page. And there you go. So now I would like you to take your circle, and then you can stamp Let It Snow. That's my favorite thing, especially since my girls really like Frozen. I'm gonna next take my tear tape and I'm gonna take and glue this down. Just like that. And then you're going to take some of your dimensionals, and I want you to put them on the back of your starburst here. And you're going to need your glue dots that you had from last month. They're those little sticky dots of glue. You're going to stick that up in the corner. And then you're going to take your snowflakes. What I want you to do is stick a glue dot in the center, and you can stick them all over the page, wherever you want. And then you can take and you can color the nose, color the rocks, whichever way you want to. So that is the first project of this week. So the second project, you should have this left, as well as a package of these. There should be 4 of these little window sheets in here. So I'm going to open this. And what I want you to do is, you'll notice that you've got score lines. What I want you to do is fold them all the way through, right to the very last one. Fold that last one in like so. So this is going to be a little tea light holder. But like you can see now, there's nothing really here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these little sheets, and what I want you to do is you can use your double-sided tape or your glue dots. And what I want you to do is put it in the center, the corners. If you use the glue dots in the corners, if you use tear tape, just down a little bit on the outer edges. And then I want you to stick it like so. And each one should fit inside each of the squares. So you'll do that all the way through, and then when you're done, I want you to take your tear tape and stick it here. And then you would pop it off and you would just stick it along the edge here to give you a little box, like so. So this would be all the way around, just like that. So there you go. There is your finished projects. So you have one card and one little tea light holder.